Welcome to the garden. Today we're unlocking the secrets to multiplying your favorite plants, without spending a dime. Forget waiting for seeds to sprout. With advanced propagation methods, you can quickly clone your best plants and fill your garden with abundance. We'll cover 3 powerful techniques: layering, division, and grafting. These methods save money, preserve heirlooms, and create a thriving, resilient garden. Ready to take your skills to the next level? Let's get started. Subscribe to Fred's Sustainable Gardening for more practical, no-nonsense tips. Let's start with layering. It's a technique that might sound a bit complex at first, but trust me, it's surprisingly straightforward and incredibly rewarding. Layering, a gentle, reliable way to make new plants, almost like magic. It's a propagation method that encourages a stem to root while still attached to its parent plant. To begin, choose a flexible, healthy stem. Look for one that's low-growing and easily bent to the ground without snapping. This works particularly well from a plant like Forsythia, known for its vibrant spring blooms and pliable branches, or Clematis, with its long, trailing vines that are just perfect for this method. Many other shrubs and vines are also suitable candidates. Loosen the soil where the stem will touch down. This prepares a soft bed for the new roots to grow into. And add compost for a welcoming bed. Compost enriches the soil, providing essential nutrients that will encourage root development. Make a small cut under a leaf node. This slight wound encourages the plant to produce roots at that point. Then pin the stem to the soil with a wire or stone. This ensures the wounded area stays in contact with the soil, promoting root growth. Cover the wounded section with soil, gently mounding it up to keep the area moist and dark, which roots love, leaving the tip exposed. This allows the plant to continue photosynthesizing and sending energy to the rooting area. Water well and wait. Consistent moisture is key to successful layering, so keep the soil around the buried stem consistently damp. Roots will form in a few months. Patience is a virtue here, as the plant needs time to develop a strong root system. Once rooted, you can gently tug on the stem to feel for resistance, indicating root growth. Cut the new plant free from the parent, severing the connection with a clean, sharp cut, and transplant it to its new home. Dig carefully to preserve the root ball and give your new plant the best start. Layering is simple, low stress, and almost foolproof, making it an excellent choice for beginner gardeners. It's a perfect way to multiply shrubs and climbers, expanding your garden without the need for seeds or complicated techniques. With minimal effort, you can create new plants that are genetically identical to the parent, ensuring you maintain the characteristics you love. Try it with your favorite plant this season. It's a rewarding experience that brings the joy of propagation right to your fingertips. Next up, division, a cornerstone of perennial care. It's the quickest and most effective way to refresh those tired, overgrown clumps and multiply your favorite perennials, expanding your garden's beauty. Ideally, tackle this task in spring or fall, when the weather is mild and the plants aren't actively flowering. Begin by carefully digging up a mature clump of plants. Popular choices include robust hostas or vibrant daylilies. Once unearthed, gently shake off any excess soil, allowing you to clearly see the root structure. Then, using your hands or a sharp knife, carefully pull or cut the clump into sections, ensuring each division has a healthy set of roots and emerging shoots. Discard the old, woody center. It's often less productive and can harbor diseases. Focus on keeping only the vigorous outer pieces, as these will establish themselves more readily. When replanting your divisions, ensure they are placed at the same depth they were originally growing. Water them thoroughly to help settle the soil around the roots and watch them bounce back with renewed vigor. Division not only gives you more plants to enjoy and share, it revitalizes tired borders, breathing new life into your perennial beds. Share any extras with friends and neighbors, spreading the joy of gardening. Or, use them to fill new spots in your garden, creating a cohesive and flourishing landscape. It's a satisfying, practical way to keep your garden thriving, ensuring its beauty for years to come. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Your plants will thank you with abundant growth and vibrant blooms. Division is rejuvenation in action, a simple yet powerful technique for a healthier, more beautiful garden. Now let's tackle grafting. It's a technique that might seem a little intimidating at first, but trust me, with a little practice, it can open up a whole new world of possibilities in your garden. We're going to break down the basics and show you how to get started. Grafting is essentially the art of joining 2 plants into one, allowing them to grow together as a single, unified organism. It's a bit like plant surgery, but with incredible results. Grafting lets you combine the best traits of different plants. Imagine the possibilities. You can have a strong, disease-resistant rootstock providing the foundation, with a top that produces superior fruit, vibrant flowers, or possesses other desirable characteristics. It's especially essential for many varieties of apples and pears. Grafting ensures consistent fruit quality and reliable yields. And it's widely used for many ornamental trees and shrubs, allowing nurseries to propagate specific cultivars with desired traits. Let's look at a basic cleft graft. First, you'll need to carefully cut the rootstock, which is the base plant that will provide the root system. Then, split it down the center to create a cleft, or a V-shaped opening. Now take a scion, which is a cutting from your desired variety, and shape it into a wedge. Carefully insert this wedge-shaped scion into the cleft you created in the rootstock. The scion should be taken from your chosen variety, ensuring you get the specific fruit or flower you're after. The key to success is to align the cambium layers of both the scion and the rootstock. The cambium is the thin layer of living tissue just beneath the bark, and it's essential for the two plants to fuse together properly. Once aligned, bind the graft tightly with grafting tape or twine, and then seal the entire union with grafting wax to prevent moisture loss and protect it from infection. Keep a close eye on your graft. In a few weeks, if the graft has taken successfully, you'll see new buds swelling and starting to grow. This is a sign that the two plants are uniting. Grafting is also a fantastic way to preserve rare and heritage varieties of plants that might otherwise be lost. And it lets you grow more in less space by creating multi-grafted trees with different varieties on a single rootstock. It's a time-honored skill passed down through generations of gardeners and horticulturalists. Grafting is part science, understanding plant physiology, and part art, requiring a delicate touch and an eye for detail. With practice and experimentation, you can create custom trees and shrubs tailored specifically for your garden's unique needs and aesthetic. Don't be intimidated by the process. Start with a simple graft, like the cleft graft we just discussed, and see the magic unfold for yourself. The rewards are well worth the effort. Grafting is truly gardening alchemy, transforming ordinary plants into extraordinary creations. There you have it, 3 ways to multiply what you love: layering, division, and grafting. These techniques make gardening more rewarding, personal, and sustainable. Start small, experiment, and enjoy the thrill of watching new plants thrive. Share your successes and let your garden tell your story. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more from Fred's Sustainable Gardening. Grow what you love, and grow plenty of it.